Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so in order for us to add the menu for the store, all you have to do is to exit and go back to the Shopify dashboard. Then click on Online Store, click on Navigation. Of course, there are two menus. There is the footer menu and the main menu. And of course, we're going to have to edit them both. So right now, I'm going to edit the main menu. Click on Main Menu. And then basically here, you find Home, Catalog, Contact, delete all of those. Delete the first one, delete the second one, and delete the third one. Click on Add Menu Item, click on Link, click on your collections, and let's add the first collection, which is merch. Let's go ahead and click Add Menu Item again, click on Collections, add the second menu item, which is Naruto figurines. Click to add a third one, Collections, Ninja Weapons, Add Menu Item, click here, click on Collections, and Uchiha Sharingan, which is the last category of products. And basically here, you can drag and drop them in the order that you see fit. Now click on Save over here, and there you go. You have your main menu. So right now, if I click View Your Online Store, now you can see that the old menu is still displayed over here, but that's not a problem. I can just simply load it back once, load it back twice, or wait for 10 seconds, load it back a third time, and there you go. We have our menu and the changes were propagated. So right now, let's go ahead and edit the footer of the store, or create the footer menu for the store.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.